파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름 내 손에 너의 계절 chocolate I'm feeling so good 눈에 보이는 모든 게 예뻐 You already made my day 다가와서 꽉 안아줄 때 충전되는 이 느낌
Good morning all. Had breakfast here this morning and I've got sad news. I lost my sunglasses. Look at Chicken Run. Chicken Run is here too. Yeah, the food is really good. And just now that's our chicken feet. She's cooking the chicken feet here. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we're currently outside the Grand Palace. Oh dear, where's my sunglasses when I needed it the most? Oh mamma mia.
Yeah, very bright.
I'm getting like char under the sun. 40 degrees today. It's really hot.
Yeah, pretty much 40.
Yeah, so we're just heading in now. And then the mission of the day is to...
I don't know. Have fun.
No! We're gonna do the outfit.
Where is the outfit?
It's inside.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Oh wait, actually, I need to check. One sec. Let me check. Check the outfit. Change your plan.
Yeah, change the plan.
We're at Icon Siam right now because it was way too hot. So it's 40 degrees. So we chicken out and we bail. So we're at Icon Siam at the moment. Found the loft. The one that we went in Japan.
Hey, you want it? Oh, wait. Oh, it's this one. Brown. Is it brown or is it white? Actually, I really wanted one that had like an ant colony in there, like an ant terrarium. And it's cool because you get to see like a full, like a full ecosystem. You know? 해감이 아닌데? Not bad. Definitely not bad.
Are you ready?
Very ready. Good? Yeah, check it out. Have fun. That's intense. Very intense.
Which one you had? The cheese one?
Yeah.
I had the spicy one. It's quite good.
Onion. Better. Oh, they don't even have wait. Oh, they don't have the banana milk.
So I guess this is like an indoor night market kind of thing.
Kind of is. Well,
Yeah.
you know, because it's indoors, it's kind of like that. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just
actually
like with
really nice.
aircon. It's just smart idea.
Really,
It's
really
just
nice.
not noisy. It's not hot. Yeah, it's just a inside icon Siam, which is great. Yeah.
And obviously, everything's a lot.
Hygienic. There's no flies.
Yeah, there's no flies.
Literally no flies. Yeah. I think the biggest thing about eating the street food is just I just can't take the flies on my food.
Yeah, it's definitely a bit dirty. Which is sad because honestly, a lot of it looks really good.
Yeah.
But yeah,
And the price is reasonable as well. There is like small like those clothing store, jewelry store, all those kind of stuff as well. It's nice. Visit Icon Square, indoor, air conditioned market.
it's I know Siam Tapish or something, right?
Oh yeah, but it's in Icon.
Oh, is it?
It's in Icon Siam. Siam.
Icon Siam?
Yeah, the building is Icon Siam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
ได้นะคะทานอะไรดีคะ
Hi.
I don't see it.
Oh, it's an elephant.
Pretty. Maybe. Maybe not.
Yo quiero que me filmen, mami. Yo voy a comerme esto. Vamos a
Partially
probar
cooked.
el pincho de cocodrilo.
Damn, look at the
Yeah.
hands, bro. It's crazy. Looks very beefy though.
Wow. Huge. Two dress for 750 Thai baht.
ถ่ายรูปแม่ค้าก่อนเดี๋ยวกลับมาแล้วเดี๋ยวเราจะได้จำได้ว่าน่ารักมาก น่าจะมีอะไรแถมด้วย น้องบอกงง
Oh, I think you can customize your own magnet. So you buy all this stuff, right, and then they make it for you. Yeah. Look, I think you can customize your own magnet. My favorite, and he's not having any.
I don't know, an oyster egg pancake doesn't sound
So good.
very appetizing to me. I like oysters, but maybe not like that.
它放就这么多啊，放就这么多，菜这么少。去看，我们去看。
Line SkyTrain is accessible through the gate on the main floor. In addition, taxi stand in front of ICS Gate 2 is also available. Thank you.
We're at the rooftop. Semi.
Icon Siam Park.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it's literally like about like a 300 feet.
Oh, sorry. Relax massage. I'm gonna get a Thai herbal compressed massage for an hour and 30 minutes with my mom, and my dad's gonna do a foot massage as well. Oh, traffic was so bad, but we made it here, and I gave her some tea and some cold towel as well, which is great. Very good massage. We tried the Thai massage with herbal compress. Post massage, we're going for a movie right now, watching the Kingdom Planet of the Apps. Cinema is huge.
Wanna do some cocaine? Hey, now we know all the stuff.
We're at a hawker store trying out congee after the movie. It was quite a good one. It's like 12 at night. Sorry. Oh, thank you. Look good. Thank you.
파란 하늘에